Many people are posting videos online in TikTok, Instagram, and they're not getting paid by posting those TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 platforms that will pay you to post videos on your TikTok and your Instagram account, and also on Facebook and X account. So these platforms are massively paying people. If your video gets above 1000 views or above 5000 views, you are getting paid for those views. So straightforward, let's get into it. But before we get into it, please remember to subscribe into my channel and click that bell so that you can get notified when I update my videos every day. So straight away we are going to a site called SSimple. SSimple is a site where you're going to get paid to clip people's videos, and you can see here most of the projects have been paid 100%. So like a content creator can come here to get paid. So in short, all these things work. It's called clipping. Clipping, you are paid for every views that you get. So let's say that the project that is remaining in this section is called this. You can join the project. You earn $1 per 1,000 views, and the maximum pay per clip is $20. So you can create like 5 or 6 clips, and then you get paid this amount. And you can see the project. They will be updating their projects, and then you get more projects to click. And the best and the most wonderful one is called Hoop.com. In Hoop.com, here you are getting paid to click for others, and there are many people who want their clips to be posted so that they can pay their creators. So let's take an example of this Anon Sports. Anon Sports in the content creator world is paying $2 per 1,000 views. See this very massive $2 per 1,000 views, and you can see he has a budget of $1,000. So you can earn unlimitedly in this platform. That is, and the platform that he prefers is Instagram and X. And that is one project, and there are many people here who are willing to pay for them to be for their content to be clipped, and they pay for every views. So it's kind of very easy. You just register into this platform. I will make a simple tutorial on how to join this platform. Once you join it, you can pick any project here. There's a paid one, and there's also a free one. Like this one is a free one, so you can join it and then clip. After clipping, you get paid. So for those that are very interested, the links are in the description below. You can join using those links and get paid. I'll make up a follow-up video on how you make videos on this, and I'll do challenge. That's a 1 month challenge, clipping for others, and we can see how much we can make in a month. So comments below on what you want me to do next. Thank you for watching.